Hey there, it's October 10th, 2022, and the moon is in Aries and Taurus today. Before we talk about that, I'd like to do a silent minute. So please join me in a minute of sending peace into the world, loving kindness where you feel that it's needed. I'll start the timer now. Okay, that was a minute. Thanks for joining me in that. So the moon is in Aries today until 10:02 a.m. Eastern time. She'll be void of course most of the day until 5:04 p.m. Eastern time. And she'll move into Taurus at that point. So void of course means that she's not making any aspects or having any conversations with any of the other planets before she moves into the next sign. So it's quiet for her. She's in a void. And I've heard some people say that they feel foggy or spacey. They might have trouble making decisions. But of course, not every void of course moon is going to feel the same way. So just observe what happens for you today, perhaps if you're so inclined. So Aries energy, where she'll be until 10:02 or 10:03 a.m. Eastern time, it can make you feel more assertive and confident. So do anything that brings you closer to your way. This energy invites us to take up space in the world. Some activities that you could consider doing under an Aries moon would be to begin something new, focus on problems that have a quick solution, and respect the independence of others. Questions that you could consider would be, am I struggling with low self-worth? Am I repressing emotions or feelings and then feeling resentful? If I firmly believed that I was fully supported, what would I do? So the moon in Taurus, Taurus holds an energy that is rich and grounded and abundant. So the moon is joyful in Taurus, which means that she's lifted up and her influence is enhanced in this sign, in this placement. So a Taurus moon can remind us that our bodies are extensions of Mother Earth. So activities that could be supported with this energy would be to release the grip of your logical and rational mind and let the body take over. Stop and feel or get close to nature. Questions you might consider. Do I know how to find emotions in my body? What can I do to release the rational and logical mind and let my body take over or guide me? What truly makes me feel good? The message from the Akashic Records shared this. Treasure reveals itself when you remain relaxed and present to what is directly in front of you and nothing else. When you fully engage in the now, you can release the story of your past and your need to know the details of the future. To become mindful and observant is to become present and aligned. And you can break free of linear illusion and welcome the cyclic nature of time. Time moves in patterns, fractals, sometimes turning like a wheel, and other times moving straight as an arrow. Time has infinite potential. Take back your power, let go of the past, and choose to step into your life. I hope some or all of that was helpful. And I will see you next week for your Moonday message then. Be safe, be well, take care of yourself, take care of others. Be kind. See you next time. Bye.